Hey everybody, it's Laura Bell, coming to you live from my bathroom studio, complete with a bath towel and a curtain. Why do I have a bath towel, you ask? Because the red makes my hair look really orange. I just got it dyed. So, there you go. But, I just wanted to slap on some lipstick to look like I'm not in my pajamas and get this song down, because I just wrote it, actually, this morning. I'm super excited about it. I think it's really cool. And I don't want to lose the tune and the cadence and all that. So, here it goes. It's called It Feels Like, and you'll see me scroll because I don't have a scrolling person for me, so bear with me. You got a long list of all your ups and downs, and it feels like we're just breaking apart. When I see you looking over at her, I know that I don't have your heart. Don't have your heart. Scroll. And I'm crying on my bed about the things you did, but I guess I knew it all along. And you keep saying that you care about me, so why are you breaking my heart? It feels like I'm in a million pieces. Feels like I can't go on. It feels like you couldn't care less, so I'll act like nothing's wrong, but it's wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. Scroll. You always acted like such a gentleman. I laughed as you'd rush to my door. You touched my hair and you looked at me like I was the only girl in the world. You should have made me a girl. 'Cause now it's hi, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, I'm sure I'll see you around. Add to the treasure troves of memories that shouldn't keep keeping me down. It feels like I'm in a million pieces, but I know that I'll go on. It feels like you couldn't care less, so I'll act like nothing's wrong, but it's wrong. Rough, I know, but there it is. Hope you enjoyed it.